Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Charge the watch to at least 50% and keep the phone nearby. This prevents mid-pairing failures. Open the companion app on your phone, then enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location so the app can scan. Once done, tap Add Device or Pair in the app. The app will search for nearby watches. You do this now because scanning needs both device radios active and the app ready to accept a pairing request. This speeds discovery and reduces errors. You accept pairing prompts on both devices. When the watch shows a code, compare it to the phone and confirm. This prevents accidental pairing with another device. Make sure to grant permissions the app requests. Notifications and health data are needed for core features. Then choose what to sync: watch faces, contacts, music, and which apps to install. Once the initial sync starts, large data like music may take several minutes. Let it finish to avoid corrupted transfers or missing features. You finish by verifying core functions. Check that time, notifications, and step/heart rate counters update on the watch. If pairing stalls or sync never completes, restart the phone and watch, then attempt pairing again from the app settings. This clears temporary radio conflicts. If that still fails, unpair or factory reset the watch as a last resort, but back up anything important first because a reset erases local data. One key troubleshooting tip: toggling Bluetooth off and on often resolves discovery issues immediately.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.